Hi y'all, it's me. I'm sorry if I sound a bit tired. I took the pontoon out yesterday for its maiden voyage, and needless to say, it was a perfect day and it was so beautiful. And what a treat it is to have this pontoon. I'm enjoying it so much on just one day. It was really good, so I can't wait to do it again. Anyhow, as I mentioned in my last video, I had done some hauling around mid-May. It was before my spending freeze happened, and I never got around to filming it, so I just wanted to share it all with you so that I can get it put away. But let me start with Harbor Freight. A lot of you get your storage containers and whatnot there, but I went there because I needed a drill, a hand drill. I have one that you crank by hand. It's a Fisker's one, but it doesn't work all the time, and I end up doing other things and anyway, this drill was it plugs in, so that's really nice. It comes with all this extra stuff which I don't care about, but has several drill bits, and you just plug it in and you can drill little holes into your whatever you're trying to drill holes into. What was so good about it was normally it's $10, which is not bad at all, but I got it for $7 because it was on sale, so that made it even better. So I did get that. I went to a Dollar Tree that I don't normally go to, and they had a couple of dies that I've never seen a die at my Dollar Tree yet, so it was even surprising to find these. But this one's got little flowers, and then this is that border right there, that little corner piece. So I went ahead and got them for $1. And in their craft section as well, they had some tin pieces which I thought were adorable. So they had the heart shape, and they had this bottle cap shape, and I think these will be so fun to alter, and they're really decent in size. I mean, there's about the size of my own hand, so really nice. I wish I'd gotten maybe a couple more, but it's okay. I also found a pencil holder in iridescent mint, which I thought was so pretty, so I went ahead and got that. And then they had these beautiful serving trays, which I bought several of because I want to make a tiered tray out of it. But that's how the side looks, and it's just so pretty. I had never seen this style at Dollar Tree before, so I was super excited to find it. So that was Dollar Tree. Not, like I said, not too exciting, but it's what it is. The next haul I have came from Home Shopping Network, and it's still available, HSN. It was $25, and it is a Maggie Holmes package of her garden party. So the first thing you get in the $25 package is the 12 by 12 paper pad, and I think this was a great value. You know, if you priced individually all these items, it comes up to more than that. It had the sticker sheet, which comes with all the stickers in it. It came with the resin hearts. It came with this alphabet set, and they say it says it's garden party, so I'm guessing it is. I don't know that I recognize this font in here, but it's okay. Anyway, it came with that. It came with the washi tape, and it came with the 2 rolls of the stickers, which are roses and bows, which is so cute. So that was from HSN, and if I remember, I'll put the link down below. Again, it was $24.99, so not a bad deal. Especially now, you can't find much of Maggie's stuff. Okay, let's move on to, I got a couple of items from, I think these came from Amazon, I think. I picked up this stamp. I could not resist it. I know Christmas is coming, and I want to be ready, and I just fell in love with this particular stamp, so I got that. And then I picked up this stamp set as well. This is Elizabeth Crafts, and it's called Important Memo, and it's just a big memo, and I love this quote right here, if you can read it. It's so pretty. And anyway, it has a few quotes and other things, so I got that. Those were from Amazon, from Instagram, from A Cup of Abby. She does crocheted hearts, and these match the garden party collection, so I just had to get them. I think they're so beautiful. That's her name on Instagram, and she gifted me with this extra trim that she had done. So beautiful. So thank you so much for that. Let's go on to this is from Leila by Mail. She does journaling, but she has a website with product. So I picked up this stamp set, which is also an Elizabeth Craft stamp. It's called Retro Labels, and it looks like the old Avery labels. And then she had this 6-inch ruler that I've been looking for forever, pretty much. It's a tiny 6-inch ruler, so I was really happy to get that. From, let's see, this would be from Instagram, and this shop is, I've shopped with her many times. Leela's Crafts, right there. That's the name. And from her shop, she gave me a freebie with my order, which was this pretty little sequin mix, really pretty. And then I ordered 2 dies. This one here, which is a Mintopia bow, and this one is a Mintopia coin envelope, and I thought they were really cute. I did cut out the bow because I wanted you to see it's quite large, but it's so cute, and I have a thing for bow dies, so anytime I see something different, I want it. But I'd say it's probably about 2.5 to 3 inches tall. It's quite large, but it's nice. And then that coin envelope one, it makes this little coin envelope here, so you can make it out of any kind of paper you want and whatever. So I thought that was pretty cute. So I got those from her. I have my black paper there, so I can show you some dies in a minute that I got. But let me jump to Monty. She is Polka Dot Pinecone here on YouTube, and she was destashing some stuff that I wanted. She had this paper pad, which is Maggie Holmes, probably one of Maggie Holmes' first ever collections. I don't even know that it has a name, but I did want it. I think I have a small one, or I have something like it, so I wanted to get another one. She also had this, let's see here. She had this cute little deer paper that I just fell in love with, so I had to get that. And then she had this acetate, and it's let me put it on paper so you can see it. It's got gold wording on it. I don't know how well that's showing, but it's really pretty. So I picked that one up from her. And she also had this one, which is a Heidi Swap piece of acetate, and it has those big florals on it. So really pretty from her. I also picked up, I believe this is a sticker sheet that goes with that first paper collection that I just showed you. It doesn't have a name on it, but it is Maggie Holmes. A lot of words and then those cute little tabs. She had this pack of, what do you call this? Vellum. So these are vellum sheets. You get 100 in here, and they all look the same, so I'm not going to pull them out, but they're just this piece of vellum. Really pretty. I love the colors on it, and it go with anything. Excuse me. Then she had the 2 velvet ribbons in pink, so I picked those up. And then she had this, which is the, I have one of the, well, hold on, let me open this thing. She's got it in lockdown. It's one of those embossing powder tools, and I have the little one that looks like a pillow, but I thought this would be neater. That one gets chalk all over my hands, so I picked that up from Monty, and she sent me a couple of extra pieces of paper, so thank you, Monty, for the gift. So that was from her, and then I'm going to move on to what I do in my black paper. Okay. Next is from scrapbook.com, and at scrapbook.com I ordered the day that they were giving away this free Lawn Fawn watercolor paper pack, which is a great freebie. It's beautiful. It's all watercolor look paper in such beautiful colors. I think this is probably one of my favorite freebies so far. I've already cut into it, but yeah, really pretty. So that's from Lawn Fawn. That was a freebie. What I ordered, however, was more Maggie Holmes, because I am just into that collection. I love it. So I picked up a couple of the 6x8 paper pads, because I don't have, I think I have one, but I wanted a couple more. And then I picked up the chipboard here. I think actually this actually came from Joann's, because I remembered I was so happy they were like $2 or something. So I picked up 3 of them. These didn't come from scrapbook.com. But anyhow, I got 3 of them because they were such a great price at $2 something. You couldn't pass it. But from scrapbook.com, I also picked up, and let me move this over so I can kind of show you this also on black paper. I picked up a bunch of this acetate piece right here that has the white flowers on it. This one is called Reaching Out from American Crafts, and it's all bordered with the white flowers. So beautiful. So I picked up about 4 of those. They were on sale, so I thought it was a great time to get them. And then the other one I picked up is the Obed Marshall acetate, and I don't know how well this is going to show on black because these are colors, but it's a clear, here, let's see, can you see there better? There, it has all this gold and clear confetti everywhere. It's so cute, and that's from the Buenos Dias collection. So I picked those up from there. I picked up this from scrapbook.com, which is the garden party card set, and these are the designs that come in it. And you know, you could do so much with these, and even use them for die cutting if you didn't want to cut into your paper packs. And then I picked up some die, well, first this stamp set, which is Elizabeth Craft, and I just fell in love with these 2 little girls right here. So I went ahead and picked those up. And actually it says flowers and planted. Love, this could work with the garden party collection actually. I picked up some dies, and on one of them I didn't do any samples, but it's this Karen Bernstein memory charms. I have some of these for Christmas, and I think I have another set that are little charms, so they come with a hole in them so you can dangle them. I just thought they were so cute, so I picked this set up. It's got the TV camera frame and mirror. And then I was watching, let's see, Jen's video. She's strawberry cream, I don't remember the number, sorry Jen. And she showed this strawberry die, and I knew I had to have it. I already had some of these dies on my like save for later, but this one is the strawberry, so I went ahead and cut it out, and I want you to see how cute it is. Let me see. That's one of them right there. You can either do it with the leaves cut out like that, or you can leave them filled in. And isn't that just adorable? Oh, so cute. And this Paper Roses die company, they have some really cute dies. Here's another one that I got. This one is the ice cream cone, and I did a sample of that one right here so you could see how cute it is. So it comes with the outline piece, the little heart, and then the cone. Really cute. So I got that one, and then the last one I picked up was the bow die. And this one, as I said, I have this thing for bows. Now I misplaced one of them. They're so little. This set right here. Sorry for the fumbling around. They're really tiny. You could see they're pretty small. But I just cut out like just a couple of the pieces. This one I double layered. I don't know how well it's coming out. Oops, right there. So anyhow, cute little die set. And then last but not least, I was on watching Melissa's channel, and she showed, she's the Vintage Goose. Hey Melissa. And she showed a flower on one of her projects, and I was like, what is that? And it was this die right here. It's called Floral Layers. And what it is they look like watercolor flowers. That's the number right there in case you're looking. And I did one. I want you to see how pretty this came out. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, all the ways you could layer this, the different colors, the things you could do with it. It's absolutely stunning. So thanks for turning me on to that one. I really like it. So anyhow, that about does it for the last haul for a little bit. And until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.